Good morning, Dara. Did you sleep well last night?
Aron susday Dara. Yup minh kay lo srulte?
Good morning, Supia. Yes, I slept very well.
Aron susday. But knyum kay lo sruna?
That's great.
Did you have any dreams?
Laona, tanek mien subanabaite?
Yes, I had a beautiful dream.
But knyum mien subandosros at moy.
Really? What was it about? But mente, tavieniyay ompiaway dad? I dreamed that I was flying in the sky.
Knyum subanta knyum kumpung hof na lumig.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Yes, dapte ochana. Yes, I felt so free and happy. But knyumin aram tha min seripip nung ri-irina. Did you see anything while flying? Tanya ban kunya we klan no pel hochte? I saw mountains, rivers, and forests. Knyum ban kuny pnum, tunle, nung prey. That sounds peaceful. We hak do ches ngop sngat na. Yes, it made me feel calm. But we thua knyum men arom ngop sngat. I love good dreams like that. Knyum serlain suban awal-awat do chinop na. Do you often dream, Supia? Tanet suban nyek nyop te Supia?
Sometimes, but not every night.
Min pel kla pantai man men ring lo yop te.
What was your last good dream?
Ta suban lo chong kroi ro ba nya ku away?
I dreamed that I was traveling to Paris.
Knyum suban tha khiem kumpung thua dam na te ti krong Paris.
Oh, that's a lovely dream.
Oh, viki suban desros at na.
Yes, I saw the Eiffel Tower.
Bad khiem ban khơi Eiffel Tower.
Did you take pictures in your dream?
Tanik thot rup krong suban te?
Yes, it felt so real.
Ja, vi hak do chi pat na.
Sometimes dreams feel very real.
Pe khla suban do chi ka pat men.
Exactly. I woke up smiling.
But prakat na, knyong pnya lang nang min snam nyam.
That's a sign of a good dream.
No, chi sa nyan nay suban lao.
Do you believe dreams have meanings?
Tanet chi tha suban min atanite?
Sometimes yes.
But pe klak chưa.
What do you think your flying dream means?
Tanet ke tha suban ha horabon net min nay doit medek?
Maybe it means freedom or success.
Perhaps vi min nay tha sere pipru pip chok chay.
That's a nice interpretation.
Vi chika bo srai lo na.
How about you? What do you think of dreams?
Tanet wing yol yang dot medek an pisuban?
I think dreams show our feelings.
Knyum ke tha suban banghai aram raboh yeung.
Yes, sometimes they reflect our hopes.
But pe kla vi banghai pe sik day sangkum raboh yeung.
Or even our fears.
Ru sombay te ka phai klai raboh yeung.
True, but good dreams always make us happy.
But na, pantai suban lo tang thua yeung sabay chat.
I agree with you.
Knyum yo srop chmoy nyat.
Sometimes I dream about my future.
Pe kla knyum suban ampi anakut raboh knyum.
That's interesting. What did you see?
Vi mien phep ku oi chap aram na. Ta nhiệt bằng khinhអ្វី I saw myself working in a big company ខ្ញុំឃើញខ្លួនឯងធ្វើការនៅក្រុមហ៊ុនធំមួយ That's a positive dream វាជាសុបិនវិជ្ជមានណាស់ Yes, it motivates me to work hard បាទវាជំរុញឲ្យខ្ញុំខំប្រឹង I also dream about my goals sometimes ខ្ញុំក៏សុបិនអំពីគោលដៅរបស់ខ្ញុំដែរ Dreams can inspire us ក្តីសុបិនអាចជំរុញយើង Right, they give us hope ត្រឹមត្រូវវាផ្ដល់សេចក្តីសង្ឃឹមឲ្យយើង Do you ever write down your dreams? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់សរសេរសុបិនរបស់អ្នកទេ Sometimes I do, so I don't forget. ពេលខ្លះខ្ញុំសរសេរវាដើម្បីកុំឲ្យភ្លេច That's a good idea. វាជាគំនិតល្អណាស់ Maybe I'll start a dream journal. ប្រហែលជាខ្ញុំនឹងកប់ផ្ដាំសៀវភៅសុបិន I want to try that too. ខ្ញុំក៏ចង់សាកល្បងដែរ Have you ever had the same dream twice? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់សុបិនដូចគ្នាពីរដងទេ Yes, a few times. បាទពីរបីដងហើយ That's interesting. Maybe it's important. គួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍ណាស់ប្រហែលវាសំខាន់ Maybe, but I'll try to understand it more. ប្រហែលប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំនឹងព្យាយាមយល់វាឲ្យច្បាស់ Do you ever dream about your friends? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់សុបិនអំពីមិត្តភក្តិរបស់អ្នកទេ Yes, many times. បាទច្រើនដងហើយ That's so cute. វាដូចជាគួរស្រឡាញ់ណាស់ Sometimes we go on adventures together. ពេលខ្លះយើងទៅដំណើរផ្សែងជុំជាមួយគ្នា That must be fun. វាហាក់ដូចជាសប្បាយណាស់ Yes, I wake up laughing sometimes. But ពេលខ្លះខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ឡើងដោយសើច I love dreams that make me smile. ខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់សុបិនដែលធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំញញឹម Me too. ខ្ញុំក៏ដូចគ្នា Have you ever dreamt about winning the lottery? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់សុបិនឈ្នះឆ្នោតទេ Huh, yes, I became a millionaire in my dream. Haha, but ខ្ញុំក្លាយជាមហាសេដ្ឋីក្នុងសុបិន That's a lucky dream. វាជាសុបិនសំណាងល្អណាស់ I wish it would come true. ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាវាក្លាយទៅជាការពិត Who knows? Maybe one day. អ្នកនឹងដឹងទេប្រហែលថ្ងៃមួយវាអាចកើតឡើង I hope so. ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមដូច្នោះ Anyway, dreaming makes life more colorful. ជារួមការសុបិនធ្វើឲ្យជីវិតមានពណ៌ស្រស់ស្អាត Yes, and good dreams give us energy. បាទហើយសុបិនល្អផ្ដល់ថាមពលឲ្យយើង Let's wish for another good dream tonight. យប់នេះសូមឲ្យសុបិនល្អសុភា Yes, sweet dreams, Sophia.